Hi foodies, Chef Pete here. Today we're doing a fish fry and I'm going to do it in the air fryer. Here's our air fry pan. And over here Anthony will show us what we have. I have some beautiful flounder white fish today. It's a very mild fish, kind of like cod mild, you know. It's a white fish. And what I'm going to do with it is I have some egg here and I have some panko breadcrumbs with some beautiful, delicious tarragon in there. This is tarragon and I wish you could smell it. It's just absolutely delicious. And then what I'm going to do in this recipe is make a lemon butter sauce. All you need is a couple of tablespoons of the butter and a couple of one good-sized lemon squeezed for juice, or a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice, a little salt, a little pepper, and you've got a sauce. Or use the beautiful horseradish embellished beautiful sauce, okay, if you like that. Or if not, you don't have to use the embellished tartar sauce. You can use something else, okay?
You mean a cocktail sauce?
Or a cocktail sauce even. Whatever you like. Cocktail sauce.
Or the pink sauce. What was the pink sauce?
Or, well, you know, horseradish. Or you can use whatever you like. Put horseradish, don't put horseradish. And however you like to do it, okay? So now what we're going to do, all right, is I'm going to then go on to make our vegetable, which we'll have in a separate one today, a separate videotape. And then also I'll show you how to assemble your fish, how easy it is to do. Everybody should know how to do these basic steps in the kitchen. Okay, save yourself some money from going out for that fish dinner. Do your own fish fry at home. So, as always, this is Peter Carpizos, thanking you all. Out.